Hi there, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to take you around this brand new Audi A5 2.0 TDI 35 S-Line Coupe. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which has really given this vehicle that standout road appearance. And with this being a new vehicle, this really comes with a manufacturer's 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. Moving on now, and looking at the key features, this being the S-Line model, it does mean you get the upgraded S-Line styling, such as the rear diffuser, front grille and side profile, as well as this you get the chrome accents such as the exhaust tips, badging and window surrounds. Moving on now to the exterior key features, where we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the wheels now, we find these S-Line specific 19-inch 5-spoke cabo design alloys finished in a partly polished colour, and they do really complement the grey paint. To the side of the A5 now, there is the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view, as well as creating a lovely black and grey contrast. Moving into the rear boot space of the A5 Coupe now, where we do find up to 450 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for a coupe vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase, as well as a few carry-on items. Now moving into the rear seats, we do find a full leather interior with the additional cloth element Alcantara in the centre. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest, and you do also get the Isofix points, which are neatly located across the back row. There is rear ventilation for those rear occupants, as well as having access by pulling both front seats forward. Now moving into the front, we do find a very well designed and stylish interior, with a large amount of plush materials such as Dynamica, leather and aluminium. This being the S-Line model, it does mean you get the two-tone seats in which you have the S-Line logo. Above now we do find the virtual cockpit, which is featured in 2 digital rev counters. As well as this, you can also access the navigation, as well as telephone connectivity, your radio stations and also the vehicle information. Now to the centre of the dashboard we find this fantastic MMI touchscreen display, which is featured in satellite navigation, and does also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now we find equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and the heated seat functionalities are located either side of this for both the passengers. Now moving to the screen above once again now we find a reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, which do make this A5 Coupe much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So this has been the presentation of the brand new Audi A5 35 TDI. This is available at Stafford Audi. For more information, do contact our sales team.